Hello, I'm Paul here. Today I'm going to be talking about a pre-market strategy for trading the US dollar. Now, if you guys see my last video, I kind of went over a strategy with the US dollar, and that's basically the US dollar basically reacts to everything else in the opposite direction. So what I kind of want to do in this video is kind of show you, since it's Sunday today, and the Forex market opens up, well, at least my time in California, it opens at 2 p.m. Around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So that's in about 10 hours from now. So I kind of want to show you guys a frame of mind that you want to do if you want to that you can do if you want to trade the dollar, like as soon as the market opens today. But you have to do a quick glance and see kind of where you have to do a little bit studying around with the other active. Right now it's just crypto. That's because crypto is like 24/7. But since the dollar reacts to what crypto does, you can get a kind of sneak peek at what the dollar is going to do when the market opens. So by doing this strategy, what you want to do is, before Forex market opens, you want to get a good idea of what crypto is doing. So what we can do is we can analyze crypto as a whole and see what it's doing, and then we can have a good idea of positions to get in when the Forex market opens. So what I'm going to do today is kind of show you the frame of mind of when the market opens, and if you guys want to trade the dollar, what you should probably be doing right before it opens. So we're going to be looking at what crypto is currently doing, and we'll go from there, and we'll make some judgments on what I think is going to happen when the market opens. Okay, so for the setup that I have in my charts, what you want to look for here is you want to go to TradingView and you want to type in total. This will give you the total market cap and what everything's doing. My setup is 13.25.48. It's basically the 13.48 strategy with the 25 in the middle there. So we can tell the overall direction just by looking on the hour. And then we have the MACD. Okay, so what we can tell by analyzing crypto as a whole is it crossed down. There was a downtrend that started right here. This was when Sunday. This started, I'm on the hour. This was Monday, and it's been going down all week. It's been going down all week. And then after the weekend, it just starts to go sideways. So that's where we currently looks kind of like a bear flag to me. So what I might think might happen, and you guys can keep your eye on it, but it might just continue to go down. But my opinion is it all really depends on what the stock market does too, and it all depends on the market, but it's probably going to be going down in my opinion. So judging by this, and I would continuously keep my eye on what is happening with the total market cap as the day progresses, and before the Forex market opens at 2 to 3 my time, but that's in about 10 hours from now. So what we could do, just by looking at this, we can predict that crypto is going down currently. So short term it might go up, but it looks like maybe there's short pumps and all that, but overall it looks like it's going down. So we'll put ourselves in that mindset of it's bearish, at least right now. That's what I can tell from here. So what the next step you want to do is you want to get set up to trade the dollar. So what you need to do is you need to open up a MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 account. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure you find the dollar, and you want to make sure you have it added to your list of things you want to trade. So you can see I have it right here. The dollar's right here. So when you have an active, you can trade. Now you can trade the dollar depending on what happens. So basically, if crypto is going down, the dollar is probably going to go up, and if Bitcoin is going up, the dollar is going to go down. So anyway, we can see that it's not moving right now. We just have to wait for 2 or 3 o'clock. So that's the step. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you find a broker. You want to make sure. Now I'll show you mine. Now this is the broker that I use. I will put a link below if you guys want to use them. They offer crypto, they offer stocks, they offer a whole bunch, and they also you can trade the dollar with them. So you guys if you create an account with them, and then all you have to do is fund your account. So once you fund your account, you'll be able to trade with the dollar. So all you do is after this, you go to your MetaTrader, and you can link. They'll give you the login, and you can trade for real. So once you have all that set up, you will be able to trade the dollar. So let's just real quickly look at what the dollar's doing, even though it's not going right now. So we could tell just by analyzing this, what we said, crypto looks like it's been going down. So it all depends on what crypto is doing right before the market opens. So if Bitcoin and crypto continues to keep going down, the dollar is going to go up, and if Bitcoin goes up, the dollar is going to go down, most likely. So what you can do in this situation is you can look at the dollar, and what you need to do is once you know what direction crypto is going, you make your moves with the US dollar the opposite of whatever crypto is doing, because they have an opposite relationship with each other. So once you do that, you basically, let's just say for the sake of this video, it's going up. Let's just say the dollar is going up. So what I would do is I would wait for there to be a little retracement for it to go down. You can either look at this on the hour, but I think if you do it on the hour, you'll get better results. Wait for it to retrace a little bit on the hour. And then when you see it start to come back up with the MACD, that's a good time to get in. So let's just see a couple key moments if that happens on the hour. So we see it happening right here. You see it crossing up right here. So this would be a good moment to get in. You see it crossing right about here. You ride it up, and that's about 324 pips. You just made a lot of money right there with that move. If you did if you had a big watch size. So you just focus on all the moments where it goes up. So you see small ones, you see big ones. So I look on the hour, and then I look on the 15-minute. But if you do the 15-minute, you won't get as big as results if you wait on the hour. So if you look right here, if you ride this one out, you see it crossing with the MACD, and you just ride these candles. This was a 160 pip move. We just look at a couple more. It goes down there. Wait for it to cross up. Now this would have been a huge move right here if anybody caught it. You see it crossing right here. So this you would get in right here. And if you rode this entire thing out, you would have made a 4-digit pip move. This is 1,305. So you can do that math yourself. Now I'll show you. My pips are $80 because I'm trying to pass a prop perm, but a lot of people, you want to start with a lower number. But I'm just going to put in my 80 right here just because it's my number right now. But you guys watching the video, it's going to probably be lower. So this would have been a $104,000 move right here if you did an $80 lot size. But if you guys are just starting out, your numbers are going to be a lot smaller, but it's gains no matter which way you look at it. So anyway, this is the strategy that I do when I want to trade the dollar. It's a really effective strategy because you'll pretty much know the direction that the dollar is going to go based off of the charts of other assets, mainly crypto. So whatever crypto is doing, the dollar usually does the opposite. So you can be accurate on your forex trading more because you'll have a general idea on the right direction. So what you want to do is you want to basically, once you know the direction of the dollar by looking at crypto, you just want to find moments where to get in, wait for it to go in the opposite direction for a little bit and bounce back into that direction. And that's a good moment to actually get in for a little scalp. You'll make more if you do this on the hour, but you have to wait a while. If you do it on the 15-minute, you'll get in for little quick scalps here and there. But either way, it's still a good strategy in my opinion that I do every day when I want to trade the dollar. But anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.